Get excited about the 2020 Ram 1500. The following features are included: an automatic dimming rear view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, a bedliner, and more. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.